Okay, so we are now coming to the end of this event. Okay, so was this not epic? Epic? All right. Okay, so did I deliver on the promise that this will be an unforgettable experience for you? Did the speakers one by one deliver gold today? Well, guess what? It's not over. Not over. I have one more speaker, a very special person to me professionally as well as personally. And that person wants to take a few minutes to share words with you. So right now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Miss Wendy Makepeace.
Well, I'm going to try to speak now. I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who spoke today and generously gave their time, and for Carline to put this wonderful tribute together for Clayton, because we didn't get to have this opportunity, last year. And it really means a lot to me for everyone who came out. And I've realized how much I've missed everyone over this last year as we've been shut down. Every one of you guys are my friends that I'm used to seeing all the time. And it really speaks high volumes of our community as a direct response community, copywriting, marketing, whichever side you're on. This is a really great community to be involved with. People, even though Clayton was extremely generous, I find everyone in this industry very generous. And it shows every time you go to one of the seminars, no matter which seminar you go to, you will run into people who are just eager to help. They want you to succeed. This is a giving industry, and I'm proud to be a part of it. And I know Clayton was too. And I feel very fortunate to have all of you as my friends. And I look forward to the time that we all get to get back together again. And also I tried to come up with an idea of leaving, a tidbit for the copywriters out there from Clayton. One of the things that he complained about the most from his copy cubs was they were afraid of him. They were intimidated because he was Clayton Makepeace. And so often they wouldn't feel comfortable asking questions because we all think our questions are dumb. If you're new and you don't understand the industry very much, you tend to think that they're inadequate. And there's never a dumb question. You have to understand what you're writing about, and who you're writing to. And your copy chief is there to help you. So please reach out to them. Make sure you ask them the questions you need answered in order to write your promo, because you're wasting their time if you're turning in a weak promo. So get your answers and work hard and try to get out to these seminars and meet these people, because they will be your friends for a very long time and they will help you grow. Thank you again, everyone, and especially Carline for putting this together. And I'll stick around a little bit for the after party.
Absolutely. Thank you. Thank you, Wendy. Thank you so much. We love you very much.
Love you too.
And as we all know that, Clayton had a secret weapon when it came to his copy, and that was Wendy, the redhead Makepeace. She tore his copy up. She gave him great crits to make it better. So I knew that was the case. I knew Wendy was behind there doing a lot of things. So most people did not know that. I hope you all know it now. So you are a wonderful asset to the copywriting world with your marketing talents and skills. Thank you so much. We really, really appreciate it, and we love you.